So, Anand, you have been in the political industry since many years, successful campaigns, statewide campaigns. So, I want to know what are the top skills required to be a very good political consultant?
So, Harsh, thank you for having me. So, first of all, I would say that even after say 12 years of experience, there are certain things which I got to know this industry requires an individual to have very recently. Although I would recommend that people should be learning about data analytics. That is one thing which is evolving. Then basic level of documenting thing, institutionalizing thing, understanding that yes, if I'm capturing some information, I have to list it down somewhere so that it could be utilized later. So these are things which I feel would be very much important and very much required for someone who's considering a career in this domain.
Ear to the ground, ability to get the pulse of the people, how people are reacting. I mean, what's their aspiration, what's their ambition, what's their challenges, उनकी शिकायतें क्या है, वो क्या perception बना रहे हैं, because reality and perception are different. So I think it's very important to have ear to the ground and crafting messages that sticks. Messages बहुत बनते हैं, बहुत बने होंगे, but जो स्टिक करता है वो बहुत कम होता है. यदि आप पिछले 15 साल में इतने इलेक्शन हुए, हर स्टेट में हुए, देश में हुए, पर यदि मैं आपको बोलूंगा 5 मैसेज बताने, तो 2-3 5 ही आएंगे, बिकॉज वो 5 चिपका है और आज तक चिपका हुआ है. तो मेरे ख्याल से दीज आर स्किल्स जो which makes a good political consultant.
Stakeholder management, and stakeholder doesn't necessarily mean only leader. When you enter a constituency and you're advising the leader, you also have to ensure that you're taking their cadre along with them. Their core team will have ideas separate to it, and you should enter with the mindset that it's going to be collaborative rather than कि अब आप आ गए हो तो now you will take over the entire system. That is one of the biggest hindrances to political consultants and the relationship that they share with parties. Making connections, not making connections in terms of networking, but making connections in terms of the various data points that you will get. So media will give you a data point. When you go on ground, you will get a data point. When your team goes on ground, that will be a separate. Neta will tell a different point. Cadre will tell a different point. So there are many things that will, and of course the voters will tell you. So there are many things that are going to come your way to ensure that you connect all of this and make it into a short thing that the Neta can sell. That is a very important skill set, I feel.